Good day, applicant A1200198.
Good day, ma'am and sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. My name is Maricel Lumapas Cabral. I am 30 years old. I am married. And I graduated my course 2 years hotel and restaurant management. We're 6 siblings in the family, and I am the youngest daughter in the family. And I am Christian, and my religion is Iglesia ni Cristo.
Do you have any working experience as domestic helper here in the Philippines or in abroad?
Yes, sir. I have been experienced to work here in the Philippines within 2 years. There are 4 members in the family, 1 couple and 2 children. I also been experienced to work in Hong Kong within 6 months, and there are 4 members in the family, 1 couple also and 2 children. Yes. I do cleaning in household like mopping, vacuuming, cleaning the toilet, wiping, and washing the dishes and clothes.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have, sir. My hobbies are listening music, cooking, drawing, and using computer.
Why do you want to go abroad?
I want to go to abroad because I want to save money for my family's future and to upgrade the living standard of my family.
Any message to your future employer?
Yes, to my prospective employer, mom and sir, if you choose me as one of your servants, I will promise you that I will value this opportunity and I will dedicate my 100% service to work in your family. I can guarantee you myself I am hardworking, honest, patient, and obedient. And I will promise you that I will not fail you and I will finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you and good luck.